Hi, I'll be right back with a super easy and healthy way to make popcorn. Popcorn is my go-to snack. It's quick, it's easy, and it's fulfilling, it's satisfying. So I really like popcorn, but what I don't like is all of the extra gunk that you get oftentimes in microwave popcorn with the different oils, the additives, the preservatives, just gunk. So I'm gonna show you a quick and easy way to make your own popcorn and you know exactly what's in it. So all you need is popcorn, a paper bag, it can be any color paper bag, but a paper bag, a measuring cup, and flavor. I just happen to like white cheddar. You can choose whatever flavoring you like, if you even want the flavor, okay? So what you do is you open up your brown paper bag, and then you pour your kernels, and I would suggest using about 1/4 cup of kernels. Don't use more. You can even use a little less. I'm gonna use a little bit less, so pour a little bit out. Okay, so there it is, if you can see that. All right, so you just pour your popcorn in the bag. And then fold the bag down like so, and then again. And then put this in the microwave. Now I set my microwave to about 2 minutes. Just like any other popcorn, you'll start to hear the popcorn pop, and then once it stops popping, you know that it's time to take it out. So once the popcorn is done popping, then you just pull it out. Open your bag. And you have popcorn. Put in your seasoning. And give it a little shake. And then you just have really healthy popcorn that you know exactly what's in there. Thank you for watching. See you next time.